Welcome to the French Drainman channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood. Want to remind everybody, after a winter in the north, you want to go out and take a look at your underground buried downspout system. You're going to want to reconnect anything that has disconnected, shifted, and moved away from the downspouts. The first big rain in the spring, if you don't have your underground buried downspout system attached to your downspout, to your gutter, you're going to end up with water pooling at the foundation of the home, and this is going to result in a wet basement, flooded crawl space. Even if it just shifts a little bit, just enough to where it's not catching all the water, this could really be a problem. You can see that downspout right there is shifted just enough to where water's going to be splashing out. It's not going to catch all the water. Then the water is going to lie right next to the foundation. This is how you end up with damage done to the veneering of the home. The beautiful brick veneering on this home is definitely in jeopardy because of what's happened to the underground buried downspout system. Now, because this downspout is PVC, they're probably cracked, they're probably broken, and they probably need to be completely replaced. It does not hold up like corrugated pipe. Corrugated pipe performs very well in the north. That's why we prefer it. Even when the ground shifts and there's some movement, PVC, it's not forgiving in that way. Also, you notice how the fitting that connects it to the downspout is yellow. They don't hold up in the sun. Corrugated fittings hold up in the sun. They do very well when exposed to ultraviolet rays. Whether you live in the north or whether you live in the Sun Belt region, you're going to want to go with corrugated pipe. I'll show you how to make this fix if your corrugated pipe settled. I'll show you with a clean out and the riser above it. If your corrugated pipe settled, now's a great time to put a clean out in. Take a Y with some pipe and then put your gutter adapter on that and cut that pipe in between the gutter adapter, the gutter downspout adapter, and the Y clean out to fit. That's how you correct an issue if your corrugated pipe separates from your downspout. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And as always, until the next video.